Folks, welcome to How to CFA Alpha Test Series. Here you have 6 mock exams. Each mock exam you should ideally attend one every week so that between the 2 mock exam you have 1 week duration where you can actually revise all those sections where you are not scoring well. So how to get started? With this Alpha Test Series, if you are a full-time subscriber of our course, you would have got this Excel by the name of How to CFA Alpha Test Series. Here you will have various test links 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each of these have hundreds of questions for you to practice. Like for example, if I now click on any of the series, say I click on series number 5, so this test series will open up for you. First you should record your email so that you can clearly submit the test, right? So whatever registered email ID you have, this test series will only open up with that registered email ID. Please tick this and then please time the exam. Look at these instructions very carefully, that this test series would have certain number of questions and there would be a prescribed limit in which you should attempt these questions. You should also keep a financial calculator by your side and then you should attempt each of these questions on this online mode. So please take your laptop, take your computers, or on your mobile phones, you please start. But I would rather say to practice it on laptops or computers, because your actual exam will also be in this format. Go through each of these questions. Each question has 1 point and has 3 options. This is exactly a replica or a very close replica of how your real exam would look like. And then you mark each of these questions as per whatever you are solving, right? So keep a white sheet of paper, a financial calculator, and a pencil, right? And then keep marking each of these, right? So folks, when you are done with marking all the questions, right, and please time this exam with proper watch as well as your financial calculators by your side, and you please do this on a line because your final exam is going to be online where you'll have to mark these MCQs online. There is a clear direction of amount of time which is required. Like in this test, there are 113 questions and the time is given to you as 2 hours. So once you have marked this and as soon as you submit, what will happen? This will immediately take you to this place where it will say that your response has been recorded. Please note friends, this button which is called view score. Now your response has been recorded. Now if you want to see in real time what your score has been, you can quickly click on this view score button, be taken to this sheet. So like for example, in this case, you clearly see your total marks is 38 out of 113, right? And it will then show you which questions you got right and which questions you got wrong, along with the correct answer wherever you have made a mistake, right? So all the correct answers would be in green, all the wrong answers would be in red, along with wherever you have marked the wrong answer, you would have the correct answer below it, right? So please go through it, review it, and also make a note of how much marks are you getting in each of the test series. Ideally, if you are keeping 1 week difference between the 2 mock exams and revising the sections where you are scoring low, then your score should improve from one test to the other. Now friends, this was about how to attempt the exam, how to time the exam, how to very importantly use laptop and computers to solve this so that you are actually practicing or getting actual replica of how the exam would look like. Once the exam is done, how do you click on the view score button to actually check how much did you score and also gauge for yourself which sections did you not score well and which questions did you got wrong. Now friends, beyond this, you would also be interested in knowing that which topics, or you would be interested in knowing the detailed solutions of especially the questions which you have got wrong. So for the detailed solutions friends, again get back to this Excel which we have given you for all the test series, right? Let me also make it bigger so that it is clearly visible. This Excel would have come to you if you are our full-time subscriber. Here you have a detailed solution link, right? So here you can actually click on this detailed solution link, like we attempted test number 5 for this demo. Yes, so friends, this is how your entire test series will look like, right? This is how your detailed solutions would look like. As soon as you click on that link, you will get this detailed solution page, which is for every questions there is a detailed solution of how these answers have to be built. So whatever questions you got wrong, you can always go back and refer to this detailed solution link to get to know that which questions have to be solved through what methodology.